Starts again. Got a pocket full of dreams and a sky full of blue, and every mile I'm chasing brings me closer to you. Oh, the wind keeps calling my name, saying run boy run, nothing stays the same. But I'm learning that beginnings don't need a plan, just a heart wide open and a place to stand. I'll carry every sunrise we've ever known. For every new beginning meets a friend. You're the place where morning starts again. From home, I'll carry every sunrise we've ever known. For every new beginning meets a friend. You're the place where morning starts again.
I've never been. Every petal whispers, go find your way. And I trust that color's more than words I say. I'm learning how to bloom in the wind, how to start again and again. My compass is a wildflower's bend. It always leads me home in the end. flowers grow. For every journey bends before it mends, but love will guide me in the end.
I'm a wanderer with a reason to try, a believer in the open sky. Every dream I chase becomes a spark, lighting up a long road through the dark. Dirt roads and daydreams, that's where I roam, chasing down the echoes of a place called home. Got a map in my pocket with the edges torn, but the journey feels better when the lines are worn. The distant view, I'll keep on dreaming my way back to you. For every wandering heart must make amends, with the daydreams waiting at the end. The distant view, I'll keep on dreaming my way back to you. For every wandering heart must make amends, with the daydreams waiting at the end.
Two letters in the saltwater air, hoping the tide would carry them somewhere. Every wave a message, every foam a sign, telling me your heartbeat still echoes in mine. Ooh. when you call. And if the tide should wash my words away, no, my heart still speaks what I can't say. For every wave returns to shore again, just like my love, again and again.
We walked the trail of amber skies, where the sunset burns and the daylight dies. Every step a promise, every breath a vow. You chase the fire that lives in us now. The mountains whisper, carry on. We kept moving till the night was gone. searching for a spark, searching for a light. And though the flame was small, I kept hoping it would guide me through it all. Glowing side by side, lighting up the places where our fears would hide. In the canyon's echo, love begins. Two lanterns bright as we begin again. Walls begin to fade, our lanterns glow in the love we've made. For every shadow falls before it ends, the light grows stronger when shared between friends. Two lanterns glowing side by side, lighting up the places where our fears would hide. In the canyon's echo, love begins. Two lanterns bright as we begin again.
We planted dreams in the fields below, not knowing how or when they'd grow. But every sunrise, every storm shaped our hearts and kept them warm. We learned to grow through joy and pain, through summer sun and autumn rain. And now the fields are ours to show. Proof of everything we've come to know. And now the harvest into a love worth more than gold. We planted dreams in the fields below. It's grown into a love worth more than gold.
I followed rivers, running wild and free, hoping they lead you back to me. Every current carried a memory. Every ripple whispered destiny. The water knows what the heart forgets. The places we've been, the love we met. And now I see what the river does. It always runs back toward us. The river bends beyond my sight, I'll trust its pull to bring you to the light. For every current knows where hearts belong, running toward us all along. The water knows what the heart forgets. The places we've been, the love we met. And now I see what the river does. It always runs back toward us.
We sowed our hopes in the hardest ground, waiting for the day they'd come around. Now the fields are gold and the sky is clear, and every step forward brings you near. This is the harvest of the heart we made, through every trial, every shade. Love grows strong where truth takes part. the heart.